Well, I'm a marine scientist and I help lead a large team of marine ecologists and marine chemists and marine spatial modellers. And together we're trying to solve those very thorny issues in the coastal zone of Australia and beyond. So I'm Rod Connolly. I'm a Professor in Marine Science in the Australian Rivers Institute. Australians love to live near the coast and most of the world loves to live near the coast, but that causes a problem. We're loving the sea to death. So as a marine scientist, I focus more on the water coming out of the rivers into the estuaries and into the sea. This is really important. This is where people live. This is where they want to get food. This is where they want to dig for minerals, get oil. They want to do tourism. They want to do recreation. It's all happening in the coastal zone. So I'm there to make sure that what we do in the catchment and around the rivers themselves integrates with what we do in the coastal zone. There are some really novel things that have come out of the team's research, and the first would be that these ecosystems need to be resilient. It's no surprise with the changing climate and the pollution that we put into the sea. Unfortunately, these marine ecosystems need to withstand a lot. And we've found the key to how they're going to withstand it and how humans can in fact act to enhance the resilience of these ecosystems. Our team is always discovering surprising and new scientific evidence, and I particularly like it when it affects the lives of the public. And there's no better example than the effect of sharks, can you believe, on the amount of carbon, atmospheric carbon, that is stored in the sea. Surprising? And it's because there is this, when we remove the sharks, when we remove big fish, those predatory fish, there's a cascade down through the different sorts of animals in the food web that ends up affecting how much carbon can be taken out of the atmosphere and stored permanently in coastal wetlands. One of the big things is that the coastal wetlands, such as seagrass and mangroves, they sequester or store a lot of the atmospheric carbon that's doing all the damage at the moment. This is really good. They do it faster than the plants on the land, much faster. And we've worked out ways to enhance that. There are actions that humans can take, all of us, that will end up making that go even faster. Better for the environment, better for the fish, better for the turtles, better all round. There's something really exciting about working in the Institute, working at Griffith, and that is that we have a whole lot of young researchers coming through. They might be early career postdoctoral fellows, they might be PhD students. They're full of ideas. So as a team of marine scientists integrated with the river scientists, and that's a key, we're able to do clever mathematical modelling combined with empirical evidence from experiments in the sea and put it all together to give new answers to managers that want to get a better world in the future.